Hey guys, this is Rosakelly. Welcome back to the channel. So today I am here with another super fun Grabie unboxing. So let's take a look. I am super excited to unbox this with you because as you can see, the theme for this box is pets and it is just so cute. I can't wait to see all the stickers and all the things that included here. So Grabie is a subscription box where you can have all kinds of stationery and scrapbook stickers and products to create some fun layouts. You can pick up this box as a standalone, or you can also subscribe to their box as well. So I'm gonna have all that info link on the description box below. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. On the back here there is a list of what comes from this box, but I did not want to look at any spoilers, so that way we can open this together and discover what comes on this box. So the name of the box is My Furry Family. Look how cute. And these boxes I always keep also to just kind of store them, because I love that you even see the theme of what's on the box on the outside. So it's a perfect way to also store all your stickers and everything that you have. So let's open this up. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I have a lot of pets, and this box was, I think, designed for me. I have 6 cats and 2 dogs. If you didn't know that, that is my crazy life, and we love every minute of it. Okay, so over here we have a little calendar stamp. How cute is this? Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so what I need right now, because we have a schedule of whose days, like me and my girls, feeding schedule. So whose day is it to feed the animals? And I think I'm gonna start doing like a tracking, because since we have girls in volleyball, girls in college, sometimes the schedule, they switch their days, and it's a whole operation here. And so it'll be really fun to kind of have somewhere that I'm actually keeping track of, or they can keep track who did what. So it is a Monday to Friday calendar, and it has, it's so tiny, but it has little kitty faces, little paw prints, and it's just the cutest thing. So it will be really fun to incorporate into your bullet journal if that's what you do, or just in general if you like the animal theme. Then we have some ink pads. So we have this brown one, really cute, and then this blue one. I love the vibrant colors, and this brown is kind of like the color of my dog, so it's perfect. Then we have here, let's see, what is this? Tiny little stickers. Oh my gosh, these are just so cute. Oh, these are nail stickers. Oh, I need these. I love these so much. These are so cute. And let me give you a little close up here, but look how adorable. So we have little doggies. I think this is all dogs, but then you have like the cute little treats and candy and all of that. So super cute. This one right here looks just like my dog, so adorable. Then we have, what is this? Little, looks like little scrapbook paper pieces, but let's open this up, which will be really cute if you like doing collages and things like that. Yeah, these are like little scrap. Oh, these are actually little tiny stickers, and they are already, oh, and you can take this out, and then this could be like a Polaroid frame. Oh, these are perfect. Yeah, so if you have a little Polaroid camera, you can kind of put that sticker on top. And there are so many different designs, so I love this idea. This is super cute. My daughter does have a Polaroid camera, so we're always printing, so that's super fun. And then I want to say this is probably the same, but we have different designs. So let's see what this is. So yeah, so the same. So we have, you peel that off, and then you can put this on your Polaroid picture, or you can just simply cut a picture and use this as a frame. And then this one has a little place here where you can add some journaling in there, and even this sticker you can use for something else. So I love this idea, and have so many different backgrounds, so it will be really fun to create some scrapbook pages and layouts. So I'm going to put that over here. Then we have a little stationery set. Look how cute the little kitties. So this one has some envelopes and some writing paper. Look how cute the paper is with the little kitties and confetti. And these are also really cute to do like on your journals and just add an envelope pocket somewhere. Love all of that little kitty theme. And then here we have, of course, the Grabie sticker of the month. And then we have the book, this big collage book, and these are so fun to go through. And now I have a little collection of these books for different themes. So let's open this one here together and do a quick walkthrough. So again, you can see the theme of the pets. Let me go down here, open this up. And I love that now the stickers come in a collage book, because these are so easy to store and to just go to your book and see what you need instead of having kind of everything everywhere. So you get 200 plus pages of paper, stickers, and goodies. So let's see. You can also give this as a gift. Look how pretty. You can put your name. There's a paw print in there, so cute. Here is a note of everything that comes in it and like the different themes of the book. And you can even use the back of that note as a piece of scrapbook paper. Oh my goodness, these are so adorable. So little doggies on Christmas. Look how pretty this collage page is. You can even just glue the whole thing already on your journal, and it's already pretty collage for you. You can of course fussy cut around. I love the arts, like looks a little bit like a vintage art. Oh my goodness, so cute. Look at all the kitties here. Oh, and they are double-sided, but I almost wish it wasn't double-sided. I know you have options, but I love everything. So this can even be added as a flip page if you're doing like an animal journal or pets journal. So cute. Oh my goodness, yeah, I'll probably be using that as a page for a journal. And I love the quality. It feels like a magazine page. Yeah, these are perfect to add to your journals, so that way you don't have to cover either side. You can have it as another page. Over here we have a large collage. Look how cute. Or you can even leave it here and this can be your journal, right? So cute. Oh, and a different fur, and then places to add some notes. Yeah, look at that. You can put pictures in here if you just want to keep the book as your journal and do some documenting, do some pictures. So cute. All different kinds of little notes. And then we have some paw prints. So cute. And these are stickers. Oh no, these are cut apart, so they're punched out for you already. So cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. Paw prints. And then here we have some little ears. Okay, the ears are cute. Oh, you can use the ears and just kind of put them in, like if you have a picture of someone and you can just dress them as kitties and put ears. I think that'd be cute. And over here, this is a sticker page. Look how cute these little kittens. Oh, so adorable. Okay, so there's sticker page, and then on the back of the sticker page you also have a cute image, so you can use every bit of paper here. Oh, so cute, dancing. So doggies or kitties, whichever you like. And then it's a little rabbit here too. So cute. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try to stop saying cute, but I mean, come on. These are so adorable. Love them. And then here we have some silly kitty stickers. All kinds of stickers here. This will be really, really cute again for like a journal. And sometimes when I document a day in the life, it's usually pictures of my pets anyway, because we're always taking pictures of them. They're so cute. And it will be really cute to just add stickers as well. So here we have some different doggy faces, kitty faces. And now we have my colorful world. Oh, I love this. The joy I bring to your day. So cute. I'm not gonna read all of that, but they have a whole theme here. So cute. And then more adorable stickers here. I love this scrapbook paper background. So pretty. And then that one. So after you take out your stickers, you can even use the back of the page as a scrapbook paper to do some collage. These are so cute. Okay, I need to stop saying cute, but I mean, come on, they're so pretty. Here we have, I love the theme too. Perfect that each page has a theme. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, so let's go over here. It says keep calm and hug your cat. Yes, that's what I do when I'm stressed. I go watch the cats, and you know, they just don't care about anything. They're just cute and adorable, and they're always relaxing, and we need to be more like that. Oh, this is like a double-sided, so you can punch this whole thing out, and then one side is black, one side is white. This is so pretty as a scrapbook paper, even to make like a mini album and just kind of have some of those background pages. This one too. And then here we have dogs. Oh, so pretty. Again, these are all scrapbook papers, like double-sided. Really, really cute. We can probably make a mini album with these pages. Let me know if you would like to see something like that using all of these scrapbook pages here. I love this page. Oh, cute kitty. And then we have over here kind of like some cut aparts, 4x4, 4x3s. And we have an alphabet. Oh, these are different breeds of dogs. How do you open this? So I guess you take this out. Let's see. Oh, there's more on the inside. Oh, there we go. So we have a dog breed alphabet. Oh, I love that. And then, oh, on this side too. These are super cute. You can, if you have a toddler, you can print this out, put it on the wall, right? And they can be learning their alphabets. Another kitty one, dog and cats. Oh, so pretty. Oh, these are adorable. Look at these. I love the art. The black kitties. Oh, and then we have some fish, some turtles, some different animals. Then more kitties here. Oh, this is so cute. Create a life you love. Collect moments, not things. Yes. And then we have some little journaling places with these kitties. This could make a really cute bookmark too if you just cut this. Oh, or these ones even, right? This would be really cute bookmarks, and you just have the little face peeking through a little journal page. Oh, these are envelopes. So you can cut these and make this into little envelopes or little pockets with the little doggy face. Look at that. And then, and this is a really fun interactive page. You can take all of this out and make the dog face. And same thing with this. Oh, really fun. And then little kind of like washi tapes over here. Labels. More background paper. Let's go a little quick here. An alphabet. I really like these fonts. Like the old newspaper print. And these are stickers. All of these are stickers. Then we have some vellum pages. More vellum pages. Oh, look at the paw prints. And then that silhouette. And then over here it says our shared canvas. So cute. Oh, this is fun. I love these pages that you can take this out and just kind of dress up all of these or create a scene. Oh, so fun. I love activity books. My inner child is so happy right now. So pretty. Look at these. Oh, the litter box. This is home is where my pet is. Right? Oh, look at this page. Oh, this is so pretty. And then we have the doggy in the background. And then more dogs. You can put them in the park here. You can put the stickers on your pages. Ah, this is so pretty. You can even frame some of these if you want. So cute. Here we have other pets, so it's not just dogs and cats, although most of it is. But look how cute. Love that. Okay, so here we have other pets. So if you love fishes, look at that. And then some more bubbles, so you can put some journaling. Birthday card. Oh, so these you can use as little cards over here. More faces. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is too cute. I don't even know how I would take these pages out, because it almost feels like this whole book could just be your activity book, journal, and you can just document right in here. And we have some other cut aparts. All the pages are perforated, so you can easily take them out without having to ruin the book. And then here we have some kitties. And then at the end, oh, this is so cute. A little magnetic bookmark. So I need these. Actually, I'm going to give it to my daughter. She was just asking me for a bookmark. So cute. Look at that. I love it. This is so pretty. And then you can just put it on your book or your journal even, or your planner, you know, to mark the page. So cute. So thank you so much to Grabie for sending this to me for review. Again, I'm gonna have the link to this on the description box. If you guys are interested on any of these, please go ahead and check that out. And I want to thank you for watching, and let me know some ideas of what you might be wanting to see using the papers, the collections. I'm thinking mini album, I'm thinking scrapbook. I mean, it's just so much fun. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.